It's Thursday, and that means we are back in Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today, Lynn shows us how to make a classic drink from scratch. Let's check it out.
I'm going to show you something really easy and fun that you can do with your kids. I used to do this all the time when my kids were younger, and it's just a fun way that you can use up some fruit, get your children to eat a little bit more fruit, and basically we're going to make something that's very similar to a childhood drink many of us had, some strawberry milk today. So you could do this with whatever kind of milk your family drinks, whether it's a non-dairy variety or this milk, this regular milk that I have right here, low-fat milk, whatever it is you drink. And then we're just going to take a couple of strawberries. It's kind of to taste. So I'm going to plop a couple in there. Oops. And you could use any kind of fruit that's in season. Like I said, I just happen to have these strawberries. But I think it would be great with something like peaches, in the wintertime with oranges. Heck, even try blueberries. Okay, so I've got about 4 of them in there. And it's probably about 1.5 cups of milk I used. And I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon of honey just to sweeten it a little bit more. This is an optional item, but I think it just makes it a little bit sweeter, a little tastier. Kind of brings out the flavor of the strawberries. And of course you can do this in a regular blender. My blender is massive, so I just did it in this jar just so for purposes of not taking up the whole counter with a blender. Just like that, we have this nice frothy, foamy strawberry milk. And if you really want to get fancy, you can take a berry, slice it, and decorate your glass. And that's it. It's as simple as that. It's a nice, tasty snack to share with your children. You could even get them in on the fun and have them chop up the strawberries with you. And I hope this is something your family enjoys.